Today we're looking at the BMW Z4. My cooling system's leaking some coolant somewhere. I'm not sure if it's a radiator or something else. We're going to start diving into it and see what we can find. I'm going to start by taking this cowl off. There's a little bit of residue. That's definitely coolant. First I'm going to drain the coolant from the drain right here. Then I'm going to disconnect the transmission cooler from the shroud here, the adapter plate, and then I can work from the top. I hate this part. These Z4s are really crammed in here with this structure here. It's kind of a pain to get this upper radiator hose off. I want to mention here that the bleeder screw sits here, and this thermostat here is for the transmission oil cooler, and it runs down to the two ports, and this is where the transmission cooler sits. Before you want to pull the transmission cooler, you always need to make sure this clip is up, otherwise you're going to start breaking stuff. With the radiator out right now, I'm going to take this opportunity to replace my serpentine belt. For whatever reason, it's slipping a little bit and some teeth are worn out. You can see right here that one of the sets of teeth actually just burned right up. So I'm going to check every single pulley to make sure that there's no defect on the car before I change this. I can't believe this. There's actually a rock somehow stuck in my pulley. That's what was chewing up my belt. Since it's so easy to get to, I'm just going to clip on the transmission cooler to the radiator right away. Oh, cool. Well, that concludes the video on how to replace your radiator. We found the leak, replaced the radiator, and while we were in there, went ahead and replaced the serpentine belt. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you could subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Otherwise, take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.